Axwell wallet. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three Rivers Survival, guys. So what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about this wallet right here. Pretty decent, well done wallet. Now, if you're a EDC guy, a card guy, or maybe you're not one of those old school guys like I am, where I had, multiple leather wallets, this might kind of be the thing for you. I know everybody's trying to slimline their EDC, and it's a pretty decent product. I'm going to say I'm fairly impressed. I've been rocking it for about a month now, and it's been holding up. All right, so I haven't had any problems with it. I don't have any personal information in here, just a bunch of old cards and that kind of thing. But I just wanted to show you what it's for and how you use it. What I need you guys to do is to like, subscribe, share, put some comments down below if you have one of these, because today is St. Patrick's Day, all right, March 17th. We're going to review the one in green. All right, guys, I'm going to drop this camera. Stick around. All right, guys, I just want to give you a little bit of an idea of what kind of comes in the box. You're going to get a box that looks like this. Comes in some nice plastic wrapping. I'm not even going to open this one. I think it's black. I think it's a black color. Tells you some information on the back. Axwell was founded to aim to create long life industry quality minimalist wallets and invest in the best product practices and materials and timeless designs, so you can have one wallet that lasts a lifetime. Ultra slim, maglock cover plates, blocking RFID, so that means no, anti-theft kind of thing. So this way, if somebody comes by with a reader, it's not reading through. Made from aerospace grade materials, backed by our lifetime warranty. All right, so there you have it. Just to give you an idea of what would come inside the box, I asked for military colors. These are the colors that they sent me. And of course, it's St. Patty's Day, so I'm a big fan of green. It'll show you the color on the side of the box. Right, pretty decent. It tells you an instruction card, gives you an instruction card, kind of dummy proof there. You will get a sticker, and you will get 2 sets of bands. Now, the money band or the money clip, it depends on how you want to set this up. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out all the cards that are in here for now, just so we can go over the features of this wallet. All right, take that out. All right, so the way this kind of works is you have these magnets. All right, so on other cards, you would have to unscrew this, but you have these magnets. Makes it really convenient to change out the parts. All right, so this is the magnet in the front, and this is the magnet in the back. All right, and as you can see, it's just one elastic shock cord, okay? It's that simple, all right? Kind of neat. Very, very simple design, well designed. I was at first a little bit scared that this might rub off or get kind of messed up or frayed. Like I said, lifetime warranty, you don't have to worry about that. All right, so for the front cover, very simple. You just pop it on like that. Now, when it comes to the band itself, you have 2 options here. This is the money clip, which I decided that I wanted to put on the wallet. Will come with a band on it, not the clip, but you decide how you want to set it up. Very simply, if you wanted to reverse it, you can just put this here. All right, just make sure it's kind of in the grooves. Set it up like that, and you're good to go. So now you would have your cards inserted in here, all right, in the main compartment, and then you could have your money here. All right, I decided to go with the clip. I just thought it was a more robust option, and if it's there, why not? All right, you just slip this in. It has these 2 little grooves, and that's it. All right, so let's talk a little bit about it. It holds 1 to 12 cards and bills, lifetime warranty or guarantee, blocks RFID. It does have replaceable magnet cover plates. So let's say if I wanted to put the black one on one side and the green one on the other, if you want to buy multiples, that's fine as well. Ultra slim, lightweight, free shipping in the US, free returns. The specs are 2.7 ounces. All right, so pretty lightweight. It's 3 3/8 long by 2 1/8 wide. All right, so really small. It's kind of about the size of your credit cards, which is kind of ideal. I want to give you an idea of what it looks like once the cards are in there. Again, These are just some old cards that I had. All right, you can definitely put more than 12 cards in there. There's a lot of stuff in here. And kind of the way it works is you kind of fish out the ones that you need. All right, sort of like a pack of cards. I thought that was kind of neat. And they also have this tool. Now, I don't know if this tool was separate or mine just came with it for the promotion, but it's really kind of cool to have that in there. I did rock this with the tool inside. This tool has a whole bunch of options here, such as drill holes, measurements, can opener, a comb, wire stripper, a little bit of a knife or a sharp angle right here, some hex bolts, and it just kind of slips inside and you forget it. All right, so that's kind of convenient. It doesn't really take up too much space. It's very, very thin, and if you needed a survival tool or something that, maybe just on a job site somewhere and you're like, damn, I wish I had a sharp knife or something, and you can just pull this out, okay? Or I needed to comb my hair. That's also available for that if you wanted to, all right? So really cool, neat design. They are having a St. Patrick's Day, I think 50% off on the website. However, if you want one of these, I highly suggest you check out the description box. Well, I will be putting a coupon code for you guys. I have an affiliate link down there, and you will get an extra 10% off. So for today, St. Patty's Day, you're going to get at least 60% off on one of these. Now, these are not cheap. I think they run about 70 bucks. So if you're interested in those and you want 60% off, kind of now's the time to buy. I will say that the anodizing on these things are pretty well done. They do have different colors. Green just happens to be one of my favorites, but they have the orange. They also have copper and a whole bunch of other different wallets up there. So I highly recommend that you use the link down below and check out all the different styles. So if you are a card guy, an EDC guy, or just looking to upgrade your wallet, I highly recommend Axwell. All right, guys, I'm going to throw it back up top and then we'll finish up. All right, guys, so what can I say about this little wallet? I like it. All right, I've been throwing this around for a couple months now, and I think it's decent. I haven't had any problems with it. No cards are falling out. There's no fraying. I'm pretty rough on my gear, guys, so I can give you the honest truth about that. I had keys and wallets and phones, and it's constantly banging against this thing. I don't keep this card wallet in my pocket or protected. I just kind of throw it in my coat pocket. It's been winter, so everything that I have in there, like a flashlight, maybe a spare magazine, has been getting knocked against this thing. And every time I pull it out, it looks exactly like this. I haven't noticed any scratches, any dings, any issues with it. And so far, everything still works. All right, guys, if you like this product, again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the links down below. Please use the discount code so you get your 10% off. I'll put the affiliate link down there. Go to the site, do what you got to do. I appreciate that. What I need you guys to do, if you haven't already done so, is put some comments down below if you have one of these, if you tested it out for yourself. Let me know what you feel about it. Like and subscribe to this channel. It doesn't cost you anything. All right, all you have to do is hit that thumbs up button, hit the little parentheses around the bell icon, and that really helps out the channel, helps out the algorithms. And don't forget to be a Patreon member. It only costs you $1 a month, and you get to watch videos like this before anybody else. All right, guys, thank you very much, and as always, stay safe.